Okay, here we got the new battery. I told you I was getting a little bigger one. So this is a 850 H7 versus 650 H6. So the size, it's bigger. See, it's like 1.5 inch bigger, but it should fit because that's what they suggest for the Jeep. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is this cap. You're gonna plug it here because this is for the ventilation, but it's gonna be only that side from the minus. If you remember this battery, we removed it from that side. The plus is inside. So this is the closed one, and this is gonna be the ventilation that we connect to before we're connecting to this one. Now we're gonna connect to this one. Good, so let's bring this inside the car and see how it works. Okay, here we are live. Let's see if the H7 is gonna fit. I'm really curious. I mean, it is gonna fit, but it is gonna be heavy. You see, right here is already hitting the top. You have to be careful here because here it's full of connectors for, you know, those cars are all electric. You don't want to disconnect anything by chance. Okay, battery is inside. Now, let's see if it fits. Oh, it does fit. See? So the guy is trying to sell me the bigger battery. They were not lying to me. See, I connected here. The ventilation, and that's it. We're good. Maybe. Let's connect this one first. That was not difficult. I thought it would be much more difficult to do. Instead, it was pretty easy. Now, just have to tie, but because the secret is to put the seat all the way in front. That's the only way to do it. Until the seat was halfway, it will never fit. Even the other one will not come out. Okay, like that. And you see now, you don't need to put anything anymore. Don't worry, the battery is not gonna come out. And there is also a cover on top, so. Okay, now you have to fit this one here. Be careful. You're gonna see some sparks. Why? Why this connector is so close? I thought that was farther away. No, it's like that. It's fine. Beautiful. Right there. Let's see if the problem was just the battery, because what was strange is that I took the car to do a recall, and when the car came back, nobody used it anymore for probably a couple of or 3 weeks, but then the battery was completely dead. The battery I removed was like 5 volts. That's very, very low. I wonder if they did some short when, you know, I took it to the dealer, because today you never know. So let's try now. Okay, so just to confirm, this it's not going to fit anymore, because you see it was going to be there. Of of course there is no more space. So also the two nuts, you have to keep it. The nuts, I'm gonna put it back here on those screws so they stay there. I'm not gonna lose it. But as far as the, see, one is here. As far as the my bracket here, it's gonna have to go somewhere else in the house. Okay, I don't put the other one because it doesn't fit. I cannot reach anymore. No, I can reach. No, but I just put it both here. It's okay. Let's see if I can. Probably not. Let me use the wrench. But yeah, basically you're saving a bracket for another car. See, I put both here. Because I'd rather leave it in the car, because if not, I know I'm gonna lose it. If I leave it in the car, they're gonna be here next time. In case, you know, you put again a smaller battery. You never know. No, it doesn't want to go. Okay, I'm gonna try to put in the other side. Okay, everything fit. Now we just have to plug this in again. So basically it's gonna go like that. You have to go like this first, plug it in, see where it goes. So that goes in right here, and then there are the two plugs here, and then of course you have to rotate this. It goes in right here, and then you pull this out until it goes to fit into this side. See, because that's extendable. These two back in. That's it. It's very simple. See, this one here and this one extendable. You make sure it goes in. There's nothing else to click, so I believe it's fine. That's just to bring the AC in the back, and I think also on the other side. That's it, done. Okay, we didn't try if it works. Hopefully yes. If not, we have to remove it again. But now we learn how to do it. It's very simple. I immediately see the lights on and the seat works. So we probably made it. I just have to go look for the keys because I didn't have the keys with me. But this is telling me that everything works. Okay, I got the keys, I went in, and I guess everything's gonna work. Oh yeah. Let's see, probably it's gonna tell me batteries are down. No, because I had a flat tire before, so probably the tire is still gonna be kind of low. So loading. No, it's 31 psi. Not bad. Do we have any gas? Incredible, full tank. See, we have few alarms like battery. Oh, so that's the other battery. The other there, the small one. I'm gonna check also for the small one. That's what it is, probably. But the important is that everything else works. Everything looks good. You see it's working. The haze for the start button, but I'm gonna check that out later. just want to see if the AC works or not, because this car hasn't been used for a while. Yes, I will say AC works. Yeah, remember that your car is pretty noisy. What is this noise? It's like some vibration from the vent. I don't know, I always feel more vibration than what it is, but everything works. That's it. Good job.